In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect to NordVPN on any device. We'll walk through subscribing and downloading the app, installing it and logging in, and then making your first secure connection. I'll also share a few simple tips along the way so everything goes smoothly, whether you're on Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. First, head to the official NordVPN website to sign up and download the app for your device. If you're on a computer, choose the installer for Windows or Mac. On mobile, you can download it from your device's app store. Make sure you're on the legitimate website or official app store to avoid any fake downloads. It helps to have a stable internet connection and enough storage space before you start. If you see options for other platforms like Linux, browser extensions, or smart TV support, stick with the one that matches the device you're using right now. Once the download is complete, you're ready to install. Open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. On desktop, you may be asked to grant permission for the app to make changes. This is normal for network tools. On iOS or macOS, you'll likely see a request to add VPN configurations. Approve that so the connection can be established. Android may show a similar system prompt. Allow it to proceed. After installation, launch the app. Sign in with your Nord account credentials you created during signup. Keep your login details private, and if you use multi-factor authentication on your account, complete that verification when prompted. When you see the main dashboard, you're ready to connect. To get online quickly and securely, click Quick Connect, sometimes labeled Secure My Connection. The app will automatically choose an optimal server based on your location and current load, aiming for a good balance of speed and privacy. If you prefer to select a specific location, use the interactive map or the country list to pick the region you want. Choosing a nearby country often provides the fastest speeds, while selecting a different country can help you match a particular region's content or routing needs. Wait for the status to show Connected, and look for a VPN indicator on your device's status bar. If your connection feels slow, try switching to another server or a nearby country. You can disconnect and reconnect anytime from the main screen, and the app can run quietly in the background while you browse, stream, or work. That's all there is to it. Download, install, log in, and connect. Enjoy a more private, secure online experience with NordVPN.